Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a Ford Focus Titanium 2019. Alloy wheels, remote central lock-in, keyless entry, rear parking sensors. New shape as well. Side airbags. Handbook, locking wheel nut, everything in there. Four electric windows. Has Isofix in the rear here. "12 volt power outlet there. Large boot area. This car actually has a spare wheel. Split seat, so you can put this down separate to this. This means keyless. That locks the vehicle. When you grab, unlocks the vehicle. Four electric windows, electric mirrors, locking and unlocking, height adjustable driver's seat, automatic lights, so you adjust the fog lights and that. Into the vehicle, you can see it's done 11,197 miles. To start the vehicle, you push this button here, foot on the brake, push this button, the vehicle starts. This is your gear lever. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, manual, if you want to drive it manually. And you can use these, so you can drive it tiptronically. Sunglasses case there. Illuminated vanity mirror. Both sides. Navigation, mobile apps, Android Auto, Apple Carplay, phone, audio. That's your stereo there, tuning, turns the screen off, back on. Dual climate heated seats here, heated front windscreen. Climate control. Turns it off. USB power outlet there, pocket here with a USB in there, stop start, traction control, parking sensors off, auto hold, handbrake. To turn the vehicle off, you push this button here, but I want to show you this. You've got cruise control, speed limiter. This is your cruise control, volume here, mute button. Here you got your voice control, telephone button. This does this view up here, so you can have different views up here if you wish. So you can have different menus up here, which is obviously quite good. Tells you the speed limit there. To turn the vehicle off, you push this button here. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call. Thank you for watching.